There was a man who stood alone, while an entire nation bowed to false gods. His name was Elijah, and one day he challenged 450 prophets and said, "If your God is real, let him answer you." They screamed, they danced, they cut themselves. Nothing happened. Silence. Then Elijah stepped forward. No shouting, no panic, just a whisper of faith. He prayed once, and fire fell from heaven so violently that it consumed the sacrifice, the stones, and even the water surrounding it. And with that single moment, the people remembered the truth. Strength is not found in numbers, but in the one who stands with the living God. So when you feel outnumbered, when the world mocks your conviction, remember Elijah, one man, unshaken, facing a crowd without fear, because the God who answered by fire still answers.